Hi viewers and subscribers. Today I'm going to share with you a method of photography that has helped me to improve my photography tremendously when I started. It's called one lens all the way. And that one lens I'm going to use today to shoot everything for the next 2 hours is my favorite 50mm lens. It's a prime lens. And by no means I mean that you need to use a 50mm or a prime lens. You can use any one lens, but use that only one lens throughout. Make it a half a day adventure or full day adventure, and my adventure today brings me to Kwai, which is actually Ghost Back Alley. It's an alley in Kuala Lumpur that's really colorful and has a lot of eateries and pubs. So let's go around and see what we can do with one lens all the way. Kwai, which is actually Ghost Alley if we translate it from Cantonese, is a quaint little back alley that you can find in KL City in Jalan Panggung. This back alley actually replicates the 1960s golden era of Malaysia Chinese community. You can head on to Kwai Hong's official website and see what's going on there. There's a lot of food there, interesting photo opportunities, murals and drawings on the wall, so you can actually take a lot of nice photos. And if you're in Kuala Lumpur, you do not want to miss this place, and it opens up until quite late. And what I like about it is really colorful and many photo opportunities. One of the things I realized new photographers, what they do is that they tend to shoot the whole thing. If you look at this, it's colorful, and I'm so tempted to step back now and shoot the whole window. You can do that, but when you have only one lens, it prevents you from thinking too much. This is something I want to share with you. Just go closer, just one small section. Make your viewers think like, hey, what is this? Let me show you what I mean. Instead of shooting the whole window, I'm going to do something like that. Example. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you this important concept of photography. Wait for interesting things to happen. And when you have only one lens, it forces you to be patient. So here I am. What I'm envisioning now is to wait for somebody to pass by this beautiful yellow building with a blue door. And when it does, I'm going to take a photo that looks like this. I've always wanted to take those photos that you can have the background quite still, but then you have a blurry subject crossing at the front. And to do this, this is what I'm doing with my camera settings. So for my patience, I'm rewarded with these shots. So you notice that I keep my left eye open, that way I can see what's happening. It's a good habit to form, but it needs practice. So a lot of photographers actually close their eye when you do that, it's dangerous, and at the same time you cannot see what's happening. One of the things that really fascinate me about Kwai Hong is actually a lot of signboards, neon signs there, which I love a lot. And I like to try out the depth of field, not just the depth of field, but also the depth of the contrast, where I actually shoot inside and you have this dark place with a bright signboard and shooting up and have the perspective of this. This is what the 50mm low f value can actually do so well. So my point is that you should explore the capabilities of your lens. If it is a wide angle, you like to shoot high and low. If it is a lens with low f number, you like to play with that depth of field. Okay, this point is important here. One of the reasons why I can become a professional photographer quite quickly is because that when I'm in public, I really take up the challenge when somebody say, hey, do you mind taking some shots for me? And when I do that, it forces me to be better. And here I am with a group of teenagers wondering whether I can take photos for them because they're seeing that I have this DSLR which is quite big. And I said, why not? And these are the interesting shots I got for them. But since they got their shots so beautifully, I'm not going to let them go so easily now. Everyone say hi to Aishi. She was asking me to take a photo of her, and I said, can, and after that you got a model for me. So Aishi, what we're going to do, I just want you to stand here against this very colorful building.
Alright, sure.
And you just do any poses that you want. I've got 2 lights, you're going to look great, okay? So I'm going to be in front.
Right.
So my ISO is 200 at f4 at a shutter speed of 60. I won't know what happens now. You guys just do one pose, any pose that you like. And oh, look at that. What I'm more fascinated is the rim light that we get on her. All right, so this is a little bit underexposed. I'm gonna move this. The power that I have on this now is 1/16. It's on a radio trigger. It's a Godox. It will not fire remotely. And I got my favorite SB800 at the back there at the rim. What is the power you set it there?
64.
1/64. The simple formula is that whatever you have here, divide by 4. And why is it at 1/64? Because we got a diffuser here. I'm not gonna put an umbrella outdoor, okay? So you can do any pose that you like. She looks a bit stressed up, right? Okay, don't be, just have fun. Yeah, relax. Yeah, anything you want, anything you want. Okay, that's nice, I like that. All right, that's good. 1, 2, and go. One more. I'm gonna, oh, look at that. That light is casting quite a bit of shadow because I move it that side, so I move back a little bit. I'm gonna shoot this wider. Right, that's nice. Smile a little bit. That's good. Okay. You notice that there's a shadow on the left hand side, so what I need to do is just put this a little bit more this side. Relax. You look great. Okay, I'm supposed to show her the photo.
Ooh, I look tall.
You like it? Yeah. Okay. That's nice. Chin down a bit. That's beautiful. Right, 1, 2. I like that. Yeah. Oh, really nice. Turn your face that side a little bit. So viewers and subscribers, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, there's a part 2 to this lesson here, which I uploaded to my premium courses. Head on to my website now, check out premium courses. Premium courses is celebrating its anniversary now with hundreds of videos in there. If you sign up now, you get video lessons uploaded on a weekly basis on multi-genre. And the price is just $29 US for the whole year. So head on to premium courses now and check out the part 2 where I go into the art installation part of Kwai and teach you how you do interesting time-lapse photography and wide-angle shots that's gonna blow you away. So hurry, head on to my website, show some support and sign up my premium courses now and enjoy the savings tremendously. I'll see you soon, viewers.